Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of NBKayakTV. Today we just got a quick little DIY upgrade.
Today we're upgrading the rudder, getting the new Hobie sailing rudder.
Alright, so just show you how easy this little install was. All it is bolts, and these little nuts in the back. So, I don't know if you can see that there. Just 6 of them. So you just have to make sure that you don't lose those guys. Quick and easy, did it in less than probably 15 minutes.
Alright, so as you can see here, the rudder on the left is the new sailing rudder. The one on the right is the old stock one. You're going to move a lot more water. It's going to be a lot more responsive with the sailing rudder. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for this upgrade. All it took was about 15 minutes of my time, a power drill, and about 35 bucks. Thanks for joining us here at NBKayakTV. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you got any other great upgrades or DIYs, please share or comment below.